Okay, I'm going to try and make as much sense here as I possibly can. From the title of the video, projects 1 through 6, 7, and 12. All my projects are interrelated in some way or another, with the general theme of helping society and our future. Um, did some work on terraforming, some preliminary things like finding out that the moon and Mars are both similar in composition. They're composed of metal dioxides and metal oxides, and I hypothesized that acid combined with them could liberate oxygen, water, carbon dioxide if used properly, or in a procedure I wrote in my notes. I'm well aware that even though I write a formula, it doesn't mean it's going to happen. There's one included. I'm new at including pictures within video. I hope this picture lasts long enough that it's readable, whatever. I'm thinking that with doing, I guess it would be. I think there's a field already called geophysics, geobiology, a lot of things like that. This would apply more to that venue of science. Um, I should have. The picture was probably included already if I did it correctly. Um, it regards silicon nitride being formed from using the acids produced in projects 1 through 6. The uh, waste to energy projects, and this thing is stuttering. Um, Silicon sulfide is, I think I've, one of them, the sulfide or the nitride, is very difficult to get to combine. So I don't think it would happen spontaneously. And the formula I just showed, hopefully, is possibly feasible if the kinetic energy or potential energy actually of the acid is brought up to the level where it can break the carbon or the metal dioxide bond, and that would probably be at high temperature, under pressure, and at a slow rate at first until some catalyst could be found, or an improved method. Um, what I'm saying here, I guess, is that Project 1, 7, and 12, as outlined in my notes and on my website, are interrelated, and the processed bio waste in Project 7, if water is produced by, if we can produce water from sand, which sounds very strange, but I think is possible, then there will be an irrigation source for growing vegetation. And then vegetation could be used to feed animals that live in the area. The It's like recapturing the deserted land. Um, I'll see what I can do to get that formula within this video. It's probably not a viable formula. Actually, I'm 99% sure it's not a viable formula in the form it's in. I balanced it, but just because it balances doesn't mean it's gonna tip to the completion side. Um, I hope this hasn't been a waste of your time, but hopefully someone smarter than me will come along and use this in a creative capacity. Thank you.